Hello friends, I am Dr. Harsha Suryanshi, Assistant Professor from Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani, Maharashtra. In this video, we will discuss about provisions relating to admissions given under Order 12 of Civil Procedure Code. Friends, let us first see what kinds of admissions are expected over here. Admission may be of facts or admission may be of documents on notice by either party to the suit. Now let us see how the admissions are taken. Admission of facts may be in pleadings. That means plaintiff or the defendant may admit contentions of plaintiff or plaintiff may admit certain allegations of defendant. So that is admission of facts in pleadings. Admission of fact may be otherwise than pleadings. How it comes then? Admission of facts may be during examination by court. Order 10, Rule 2 deals with examination of parties by court. In my previous video on Order 10, you can find out this. Admission of facts may be through interrogatories. You can also find out video of mine on interrogatories on my channel. Admission of facts may be through notice according to Order 12. Admission of facts may be on oath. Similarly, parties may, by agreement, admit facts of each other. Now let us start with procedure for admission of documents. According to Order 12, Rule 1, the parties may give notice of admission of case. The party or any party to a suit may give notice in writing that he admits the truth of the whole or any part of the case of other party. यानी कि पार्टी जो है राइटिंग में खुद वॉलंटरीली एडमिट कर सकता है कि अपोनेंट जो है उसकी केस का पार्ट या फिर कंप्लीट केस उसे एडमिट है या फिर वो उसे कबूल करता है. आफ्टर दिस, after discovery and inspection, either party may be called upon to admit the genuineness of documents. The party may apply to the court and seek order from the court that opponent may admit the genuineness of any documents within 7 days from the date of serving notice. After receiving notice, if the party refuses to admit unreasonably, in such situation, such party who is refusing to admit the documents shall be liable to pay the costs of proving them. Order 12 rule speaks about notice to admit documents. यानी कि जो भी पार्टी है, प्लेंटिफ या डिफेंडेंट, अपोनेंट को एक नोटिस भेज सकता है जिसके द्वारा वो अपोनेंट को डॉक्यूमेंट्स एडमिट करने के लिए कह सकता है. नोटिस मिलने के बाद, यानी कि अगर प्लेंटिफ ने डिफेंडेंट को नोटिस दी है तो नोटिस मिलने के बाद 7 दिन के अंदर डिफेंडेंट जो है वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स की जेन्युइननेस आइदर एडमिट करेंगे या फिर नहीं करेंगे. However, he shall not neglect or refuse. डिफेंडेंट जो है, जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर प्लेंटिफ ने डिफेंडेंट को नोटिस भेजी है तो उस नोटिस के तहत डिफेंडेंट जो है उसे विदिन 7 डेज डॉक्यूमेंट को आइदर एडमिट करना पड़ेगा या डिनाई करना पड़ेगा. इफ सच पार्टी टू whom notice is served neglects or refuses, then such party will be made to pay cost for proving the documents. यानी कि अगर डॉक्यूमेंट्स आप अगर एडमिट भी नहीं करते हैं और डिनाई भी नहीं करते हैं, एंड if the party neglects or refuses the notice, in such situation the party may be liable to pay the cost for proving the documents. Now, whenever notice is served for admission of document, the party to whom notice is served shall admit or deny the document specifically. यानी कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर प्लेंटिफ ने डिफेंडेंट को नोटिस भेजा है डॉक्यूमेंट एडमिट या डिनाई करने के लिए, तो डिफेंडेंट ने डॉक्यूमेंट जो है स्पेसिफिकली एडमिट करना चाहिए या फिर स्पेसिफिकली डिनाई करना चाहिए. या डिफेंडेंट ये भी कह सकता है दैट ही डज नॉट एडमिट द डॉक्यूमेंट आइदर, यानी कि डिफेंडेंट जो है या फिर जिसको नोटिस दिया है एडमिशन के लिए उसने डॉक्यूमेंट्स स्पेसिफिकली एडमिट करने चाहिए या स्पेसिफिकली डिनाई करने चाहिए या स्पेसिफिकली कहना चाहिए कि वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स एडमिट नहीं करता है. अगर वो इस तरह से नहीं करता है तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो है वो एडमिट समझे जाएंगे. दैट मीन्स it shall be deemed, the document shall be deemed to be admitted by the party. A person who unreasonably neglects or refuses to admit a document may be ordered to pay penal costs. Now let us see admission of facts. Party to the suit may give notice to opposite party in writing to admit any specific fact or facts mentioned in the notice. ऐसी नोटिस कब देनी चाहिए? विदिन 9 days ऑफ डेट ऑफ फर्स्ट हियरिंग, यानी कि फर्स्ट हियरिंग के 9 दिन पहले आप ये नोटिस दे सकते हैं. और पार्टी टू द सूट कैन गिव नोटिस. After receiving this notice, the party to whom notice is served shall answer within 6 days. If the party refuses or neglects to admit the facts, then the cost of proving such facts shall be paid by the party. This is rule 4. Now let us start with how the admissions shall be. The admissions shall be accepted or rejected as a whole and not in parts. Similarly, if admission is made subject to a condition, then the admission shall be accepted only with that condition, and admission cannot be without acceptance of the condition. How the admissions shall be given? A notice to admit facts shall be in form number 10 in appendix 6, and answer to the notice about admission of facts shall be in form number 11 in appendix 6. There may be variations with respect to circumstances. Now let us speak about judgment on admissions. Rule 6 of Order 12 deals with judgment on admissions. The court may pronounce judgment upon admissions made by the parties without waiting for other questions to be determined. Why? The object behind judgment on admission is to provide speedy judgment, at least to the extent of admissions. If on the basis of admissions that are received by the court is able to pronounce a judgment, in such situation the court may pass a judgment and the court shall draw a decree accordingly. The decree shall bear the date on which the judgment was pronounced. While giving judgment, it shall be kept in mind that power to give judgment is discretionary. It is the complete discretion of the court. After going through the admissions by the parties, if the court is of the opinion that a judgment can be validly given by the court, in such situation, the court may give the judgment. A party cannot claim that a judgment shall be given on admissions as a matter of right. If the court is of the opinion that it is not safe to pass a judgment merely on admissions, it may refuse to pass the judgment. Thank you friends for watching the video. Thank you.